Khusrau Betia. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In today's session, we will cover vertical marketing system. As earlier session, we have discussed about horizontal marketing system, right? And in this session, we will cover vertical marketing system. So, what is a vertical marketing system? As term vertical means, you can imagine it's a something which is vertically dependent. That means it's from root to end, which means in the term of marketing, it's a vertical marketing system is the main distribution channel partners, the producer, the wholesaler and the retailer who work together as a undefined group to serve the customer needs. In conventional marketing system, the producer, wholesaler and retailer worked separately with the intention to maximize their profit even at the expense of one another. This led to the unending conflicts between the channel partners, resulting in less profit for the business as a whole. In order to overcome these conflicts, several firms have started using a vertical marketing system wherein producers, wholesalers, and retailers have joined hands with each other and are working in unions towards the accomplishment of the business objective as a whole. This has led to the increased profit for each involved in the channel of distribution. So, vertical marketing system is further divided into three parts, which are explained below. The first one is your corporate VMS, the contractual VMS, and the administrative VMS. Corporate vertical marketing system. In corporate VMS, one member of the distribution channel, be it a producer, a wholesaler, or retailer, owns all the other members of the channel, thereby having all the elements of production and distribution channel under a single ownership. For example, anyway, as in an American cosmetic company which manufacture its own product range and sell these products only through its authorized MUA stores. Here the ownership of production and distribution is with the company itself. Contractual vertical marketing system. In contractual marketing system, every member in the distribution channel works independently and integrate their activities on a contractual basis to earn more profit that are earned when working in isolation. The most common form of contractual VMS is franchising. In franchising, the producer authorizes the distributor to sell its product under the producer's name against some annual license fee. For example, McDonald's, Domino's Pizza Hut, etc. are all form of the franchises which are working on the contractual basis. The third one is your administrated vertical marketing system. Under administrated vertical marketing system, there is no contract between the members of the production and distribution channel, but their activities do get influenced by the size and power of any one of the members. In simple words, any powerful and influential member of the channel dominates the activities of other channel member. For example, big brand like HUL and ITC, Procter and Gamble etc. command a high level of cooperation from the retailers in the terms of display, shelf space, pricing policy, and promotional scheme. That means everything is managed by only one businessman with the collaboration of other related products. So thus the vertical marketing system, the channel partner establishes a close contact with each other and work in union towards the accomplishment of common objective, thereby enjoying more profits which they would have been earning when working alone. Thank you class. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.